Sorry about that. My dad called me for dinner, but then we didn't actually have dinner. So far I've done regular 4x4 and then the 360. And then I remember I got this one, and I looked online and I read reviews and everything, and I heard this is like the best, smoothest 4x4 you could have. It's the Lan. Yeah, and I bought this with my own money, and I still have the box and everything, so. And I really like the colors because they're like purple and black. Okay. Then I have, my head's probably cut off like here, right? Whatever, fix it later. I remember I got this at a Toys R Us in San Diego, possibly? I don't remember, but it was somewhere not here, where I live, which I'm not going to tell you, because that'd be weird. And this is the Rubik's Revolution. That's it. And it has the little tiled edges for better grip or whatever, textured. Okay. Then I have this Rubik's Cube alarm clock, which I bought with my own money also because I really, really wanted it. And I use it every morning, set the alarm. The only thing that I really don't like about it is that it doesn't have a snooze button. So it's either you get up or it just keeps ringing until it turns off. That's what I usually do. Okay. And then I have, here's the Rubik's Magic. I got this at Target or something because I saw it and I wanted it. So I bought it with my own money also. Okay. And I kind of like doing this one because it's super fast and it's really easy to learn. And it's just nice. I'm thinking about getting the bigger magic one so that I can have more challenge, but not quite yet. Okay. Then I have this, which this is a gift for Christmas, I think, from my sister. I have not solved it, and right now I just messed it all up. But I had it pretty close. Like, I had the two middle ones, and the outsides were still working, though. I had the two outside ones, and the middles were working. So, almost. Now I have this Rubik's Slide. I also got this for Christmas. And I think this one's pretty fun, because anyone can do it. And it really doesn't take that much Rubik's Cube skill. Okay. And I have this Rubik's 1x1. Anyone can solve it, no matter what age. I didn't actually buy this. I made it myself with a tutorial online from My Life is Pi, I believe. Yes. I made it about a year ago, or less. It's made out of Legos, and you cut off the little tops that stick out. You paint it black and you sand down the edges, and then you paint it black. And you're supposed to print out stickers to put on the edges, but I just got pieces of paper, colored them the certain colors, and then put tape over them so it looks more realistic. And I think it's pretty believable, and it was fun to do too, so glad I did that. And then for my last one, I have this Magic Square, which isn't actually a Rubik's Cube, it's some knockoff thing where it's only 1/3. Like, it's not even correct colors, so. Actually, yes, it is. Never mind. Slide. But I got this last week, actually, up in Fort Bragg while I was at camp. And it was only $3, so I thought I could splurge a little bit. And that's all I have. Thanks for watching, and sorry about the thing in the middle there. But, bye. CP Caper, please subscribe. Awkward. Awkward. Awkward.